The last past 2 weeks have not been really good for Terra Classic because LUNC have actually dropped by over $117 million has been taken out of Terra Classic in just 2 weeks. Okay, as of last 2 weeks, Terra Classic market cap was about $637 million market cap. As of the time of recording, the market cap is about 520. Now, Luna have really lost a lot of money within the past 2 weeks. So, and if you do, I believe that not just Terra Classic, because that's also affected Bitcoin. It also affected Ethereum. In fact, yesterday BTC was on red, 2 days ago BTC was on red, and today Bitcoin is actually on green. Even though the green is not a very strong green, because BTC must end the day trading on red. So this is why so many coins have already been affected. In the past 2 weeks, so many coins, not just Terra Classic LUNC. But it has actually affected Terra Classic LUNC more. So I believe that Luna needs a new project to keep on holding this coin. Every month they should make sure that they have new project, be it on the burning of Terra Classic, or a project that will see us burning more coins, okay, or a project that will also encourage the burning of Terra Classic. Such project always help Terra Classic price, Terra Classic market cap, and trading volume. So one good thing I believe that developers need to start doing is to make sure that they have 1 to 3 new projects that they will be ready to announce to the world. They will be ready to announce to Terra Classic community which they want to achieve in a particular month. Okay, for a coin to survive, you need to plan well. You need to plan for over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years to come. So Terra Classic, based on the level they are, based on what is really going on with LUNC, they need to start planning, having between 1 to 3 or even 1 to 5 new project that they will always announce every month. They will carry on this project, and the projects have to be strong. These projects have to be fantastic, that it can drive huge trading volume, it can drive huge market cap towards Terra Classic, and encourage Terra Classic holder and other community and other exchanges. Well, remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.